Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. PHIC Share Certification Setup. Navigate to My Other Payroll and select PHIC Share. Note, you can also navigate to main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click My Other Payroll drop-down list will be visible. Click PHIC Share and Certification Setup to continue. How to add certification. Step 1. Click Add button. Note, a pop-up window will appear during clicking Add button. Step 2. Try to click Save button. All fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field if you click Add button without inputting values in any field. Step 3. Click the Department drop-down button. Step 4. Select specific department. Step 5. Input all the required fields. Step 6. Click Save button to add certificate. Step 7. Click OK button. Step 8. The record will be added in the drop-down grid below. How to edit the certification. Step 1. Click Edit button for you to edit information. Step 2. After editing the information, click Save Edit in order to save the updated information. Step 3. Click OK button. How to delete certification. Step 1. Click Delete if you want to delete the certification. Step 2. Click Cancel button if you don't want to delete the selected record. Step 3. Click OK button if you want to delete the record. Step 4. Click OK button to exit and go back on main page. Step 5. The certification is successfully deleted. Thank you for watching.